Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you're planning to straight up go live directly from your phone, you can go to tap on the plus sign right here. And if you do have a minimum of 1,000 followers, you will be able to see live in here. Okay. Without needing to download the TikTok Live Studio. Now, as you can see here, it only asked me to install the TikTok Live Studio. Now, for this to work, if you don't have 1,000 followers, as it's stated here, stream keys are for certain verified accounts only. Please use Live Studio instead. You can still go live, but you will need a computer for this one to work. All right. So what you'll do is just tap on the get download link. All right. Now copy the link from here or send it to your own email address. Okay. And then go ahead and open up the emailing service from your computer and tap on the link. And once done, follow the simple prompts on how to install the Live Studio. All right, I'm going to show you. For example, this is your computer, right? Just look for TikTok Live Studio, download Live Studio if you don't want to copy or send the email. All right, and here click on download for Windows. And once you have it downloaded, it will look like this. You can go ahead and tap on source, add a source, and make sure to select your phone. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.